Dragon
So
fruit
today I'm
review.
going to give you a honest review about dragon fruit. You all know it. If you have not eaten it, then you must have seen it making its rounds around on social media. And so today I'm going to give you my honest review. How I did it was basically cut it in 3 slices, downward or lengthwise, then across. Yeah. And basically it pops open once it pops right out like this, open, and you simply can remove a piece, right? Oh, actually the seeds are quite crunchy, easy to bite through. It's cool and refreshing. I had it in the fridge, so it's really refreshing and cool. The texture is somewhat like a mango texture, if you know what mango taste is like. You get a hint of sweet. I guess it's either, not sure if it is close. I don't think it's closer down to the, I think it's more in the center. In the center, you get a hint of sweetness there. I like it. I would eat it. Worth the challenge, and it's worth the time. Go ahead and you can try it. Lady Wims here. I'm out.